Hello, Martin Seguin for Let's Talk About Wood. Express video today. I will show you my new method of doing finishing with oil. So I provide myself a heavy-duty tote, hermetic, where no water can go out. I fill it up with 4 gallons of mineral oil. You can see the link in the description if you want to buy it. It's cheaper when you buy it with in a great quantity. So I fill it up, and as you can see, when you have a project, you take a little bit of oil, you put it on it, and then you let it dry. You remove the excess. But here, you just have to put it in the mineral oil directly, and make sure you go everywhere. Depending on what you're doing, sometimes I'm using my kitchen tools. Now I put a glove, but whatever. You can go with a tool and put it over here and let it dry. That's it. 1 hour, maybe more, and the job will be done. So maybe you will have to turn it around because sometimes there's some flat where the oil can stay. But just remove the excess after a couple of hours. That's it. Thank you. Hope you appreciate it. Thank you.